Welcome to Primetime News. I'm Anupama Suvarna and now the main headlines. Presidency Kindergarten School moves to new premises, inaugurated by Nizar Ahmed. Unhealthy discussion marks MCC General Body meeting, malaria control at council meeting. CPIM holds mass protest demanding basic needs, home rate should be identified. The new premises for Presidency Preschool was inaugurated by Nizar Ahmed, chairman of Presidency Group of Institution here at MG Road, Lalbagh. The kindergarten section of Presidency School, which is a Bangalore-based school, earlier operating from Bikarnakatta, has now been moved to the new premises at MG Road, Lalbagh. The new campus is beautifully landscaped, building located in the heart of the city and has fine infrastructure compared to any preschool. However, the Presidency School with class 1 to 10 still operates from Kelrai. Established in 2001, Presidency School in the city is another jewel in the crown of Presidency Group. The school is affiliated to the CBSE board and will soon be upgraded to senior secondary level, said the management.
For the last 10 years, and we have built a world-class infrastructure and a school at Kelrai, and many of the parents had requested to start a unit in Mangalore city. So this is one of the prime location in Mangalore, and we have built a very good kindergarten. I'm sure the public and the parents will be benefited by this, and they'll make use of this facility here. And I'm glad to inform that next year we are starting the 11th standard and 12th, which again our parents, the students can make use of this facility to go up to the 12th standard.
Today we have inaugurated our new campus at MG Road. I'd like to inform you that Presidency School Mangalore is a part of Presidency Group of Institutions, Bangalore. And in Mangalore we had started in 2001. Right now we are having classes up to class 10. Affiliated to CBSE, and this year we are going to upgrade up to class 11 and 12. This new campus will house classes from pre-KG to Prep 2. This is a beautiful campus, as you can see. It is already in a very good shape, and we plan to further make it beautiful by bringing about the latest equipment which are required to ensure good education for children. So it's a dedication to Mangalore from Presidency Group of Institutions. And for this, the credit must go to the group chairman and his vision, Mr. Nizar Ahmed, who has given this beautiful school to the tiny tots of the city. And we promise that in days to come, it will be even more vibrant.
Mahmood Ahmed, Zafrullah, Kailash Pawar, Principal, Nazim Banu, Coordinator, among others, were present. The General Body meeting of Mangalore City Corporation was held at the newly renovated Mangala Hall on Monday, August 27th. Initial discussions highlighted the malaria and dengue diseases in city. Former Mayor Shankar Bhatt said that though 136 dengue cases were reported, out of which 1 death has occurred, and out of 46 rat fever cases, 2 have been reported dead. No health officer has been appointed. He urged the mayor to stress on the matter. Within the MCC limit itself, 5,208 malaria cases were reported, and after including suburban areas, the number goes to 7,000, he said. Opposition leader Deepak Pujari said that the garbage is seen leaking on the roads due to hole in the garbage containers. MCC Commissioner K. Harish Kumar said that 60 containers will be procured, for which an order has been sent. Corporator Sudhir said that sprayers to eradicate epidemic diseases are not coming recently. A health officer answered that due to rain, the spraying has been stopped temporarily. Corporator Navin D'Souza complained that door-to-door collection of waste is not taking place in MCC limit. MCC Commissioner K. Harish Kumar answered that 42 health inspectors have been recruited in rural areas, and added in all, 72 health inspectors have been visiting door to door in all the wards to prevent malaria and other diseases. He pointed out 60% of the malaria cases are reported in construction sites, 30% in hotels and 10% in residences because no preventive measure taken place. He informed that 70 construction sites have been raided and 3 licenses have been cancelled. Under the leadership of each corporator, NSS students have been visiting residences to create awareness on malaria and other epidemic diseases, he said.
ನನ್ನ ವಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ 19 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕೂಡ 10th SSLC ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಟಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಿರುವವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಇದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಒಳಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಊರಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಬಂದವರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವರು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ 22.75 ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಅವರ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುವ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 22.75% ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಆಯಾಯ ಊರಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಆಗಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲಿತಿರುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ.
Now take a short commercial break. CPIM holds mass protest demanding basic needs. Home rent should be identified.